What is up, everyone? Hope you all have an amazing day. Today we're checking out Glenrock by Toll Brothers in Grand Park. We're in Summerlin West. We're in Las Vegas. This is the beautiful property we're about to go take a look at. This one is the Blackwood Terrace. I'm going to tell you all about it, but first I'm going to show you a little bit of where we are. So I call it the foothills. I don't know if anybody else calls this place the foothills, but I do. So maybe I've coined that term. We have the La Madre Mountains right here. It's a beautiful November, gloomy day for me. I like the cold. Let's see, you're off here in the distance. You can see this is the, oh my God, Spring Mountains over there. So we got some snow on top. It's awesome. And we're in Summerlin. So we're about 5 minutes from downtown Summerlin, 5 minutes from Red Rock Casino, 5 minutes from, maybe 7 minutes from Red Rock, the state park. You have the Golden Knights complex close by, you have the Aviators field close by, you have shopping, dining, super easy access to the 215 and or Summerlin Parkway. And this is the Blackwood Terrace right here. So let's go take a look at this house. Before we go any further, my name is Jake Burkett with Real Brokerage. If you didn't know that, thanks so much for joining our channel. We do these video tours to help you understand the market, ask any questions, show you products, and of course we'd love to earn your business buying or selling any type of home or property here in Las Vegas. We could help you out. So here we got the Blackwood. This is can come in either 4 to 5 bedrooms, 4 to 5 full bathrooms, 2 to 3 half baths, 3-car garage. So you got the 3-car garage, not 2 to 3. And then over here you have a separate single-car garage. So super cool, right? And the square footage on this home is 4,022. This does have the walkout basement. It's an awesome feature, super cool to look at. And it also has the casita on the front, which is configured for an office. And the base price on this house, it starts at $1,761,000 and goes up from there. So model home, there's lots of upgrades. This home is not $1.7 million. But if you look on my channel, we did just do another one of the inventory homes here. And it was only $20,000 over base, and you can see how nice and finished it was. And this floor plan, this exterior design, this is going to be the Hill Country. So you can get the cottage, the Hill Country, or the mid-century. But for now, let's continue with the tour. So this would be a fantastic home office. So many people telecommute. You just have great mountain views right there. Tons of light coming in. These windows are tinted. This could also be a bedroom. Could be your closet right there. You do have a bathroom right there. There is no shower though. Probably work something out there if you wanted to. All right, let's get into the main body of the house. See right here, the little courtyard got a little pond, little fountain. We'll walk through this pivot door into the property. It's gorgeous. Got LVP flooring. Gorgeous ceiling on top, high ceilings. And let's just take a look at this gorgeous, great room right here. The views are just completely stunning out that backyard, or excuse me, out looking out back, looking east into the greater Las Vegas Valley. Look at that stonework, the fireplace. Got a 4-panel slider, so this is going to 1, 2, 3. Slide up and stack right there, so you could have some great indoor, outdoor living. Let's look at that. Look at that skyline right there. So you can see the entire valley. It's gorgeous. F1 starts tonight. First practice, I think, goes off at 4:30, so we'll see that beautiful neon glow here before long down on the strip. Kitchen, you got this 2-step island, waterfall edges. Got Wolf appliances. This will be your dining area, formal or casual. But this is a large space, so the extended cabinets on the side there, that's probably a builder upgrade. In fact, I'll tell you it's a builder upgrade. So if you didn't have it, you'd have more room. You have plenty of room though. I think it looks good. Extends it, adds a lot of storage. Look at the detail here. They put the little halfer right there. Little floating shelves, continuation along. So, gorgeous, right? Could entertain here. We got 3 ovens. Got 6 burners, a skillet. You got 2 ovens right there. Everything's stop shut, as it should be. Got your dishwasher. You got another oven and a microwave, and then you got your built-in Sub-Zero fridge right there. 8-foot doorways. This will be your pantry. It's all fancied out. Boom, boom. Beautiful. Tons of light. All right, let's continue looking at the rest of this property, shall we? So right here we have our laundry room. And if you're wondering what this window is, this is just to the courtyard. So that's your little casita office, and the little fountain is just on the other side. So it's not to the street or something like that. Coming in to one of these secondary bedrooms. It's a decent size. Cool thing about model homes is you get to see a lot of just crazy designs, things, you know, just think outside the box. Pocket closet, and then all these rooms are en suites, so they each have their own bathroom. So, and they're all going to probably look a little different, so you can kind of just get some ideas if you're looking to do something for your home, or if you were to purchase one of these beautiful homes, give you some ideas on what you could do or what you may want to do. All right, let's continue. So we're going to do the walkout last. We're going to hit these other bedrooms up, do the primary, which is sick, and then go downstairs. I didn't cover this right here for you, but let's take a look at it. Just a sitting area. You can see the ceiling line. So if you really wanted to close that off, you could close that off, make that into another room, glass wallet, make it an office, just have it open like it is. It looks great too. Front of the house faces west, so it's got awesome mountain views right there. And then as we come into this hallway, we're going to take a look at the garage. Here's our 2-car. Do have a tankless hot water heater. You have a side exit to the house right there, so a good place to store your recycler and trash bin. Oh, that storage closet's closed. It's probably got all the AV equipment and security systems in it. If you're a lacrosse player, this would be a great wallpapered room for you. That's fine. And then here you go. If anyone's curious what a lacrosse field looks like, there's all the dimensions and stuff of it. So, all right, continuing on, shall we? 3/4 bath. And we have a half bath right here. So this is for your guests if they're over visiting. Pretty simple bathroom. Look at that light. That's kind of cool, right? Reminds you of something you see like on a fishing dock somewhere on the exterior of a building. All right. Yeah, man, these views are sick. I said when I did the other model on this property, it had similar views. I'm like, this, I don't need to move, but these types of views, they kind of make me want to move. So here we go into the primary bedroom. Gorgeous, tons of light, same sick views. That's pretty cool. They tiled up that whole back wall. And then over here we have the bathroom. Big freestanding tub there, a little big. Nice walk-in shower. And then you have 2 closets. So this is the first of the 2, the smaller of the 2. And we have the bathroom right here. And then behind the shower is where we have the other closet. And this is the larger of the 2. All right, let's go ahead and downstairs, check out that walkout. All right, let's go. All right, right, so here is we're gonna come back inside here in just a minute. We're just gonna look at the backyard real quick. So good sized backyard. You've got a nice, long, covered patio right here. You also have stairs. So you got your little stairwell right here that'll take you up to the first floor, the main floor, which that's right off the main living room right there. Decent size. Got a little pool right here. Got a little built-in pergola, nice pergola. Do some sunbathing. Right behind here, this is just an easement. So it's gonna be like green belt, desert belt, whatever you want to call it. So no homes would be built on this house. They'd be on the other side of that wall, and the backyard would be facing here. So the front of the house would be facing out. So they'd be pushed off a good little ways. All right, we'll check out the rest of this walkout on the inside. So yeah, pretty spacious room down here. They went ahead and did the full wet bar over here, all the bells and whistles. Coming all the way back over here. We have a whole bedroom down here, so that's pretty cool. And we have a closet just to my right, walk-in closet. And then we're gonna have the bathroom just over here to the left. So that's pretty cool. So anyone lived down here off the main floor, like you'd have a lot of privacy, be a lot of quiet, so a lot of noise would not travel. You got your big storage closet right there. Got your smallest Harry Potter closet I've seen. And then back over here, we've got some fun stuff. So push to open, so we got some hidden doors. Bathroom. Just a half bath. Pretty cool though, right? A little hideaway. So normally, you know, if you lived here, it wouldn't say push to open. And then back here, you've got a theater room. So how sick is that? Totally cool. We're watching a little Top Gun. This would be Top Gun Maverick because they're flying F-18s and not F-14s. So yeah, super cool little theater room, totally hidden away. So that's a neat feature. All right, well, that concludes this home tour. Thanks so much, man. This is a cool home. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I'd love to help you buy or sell a house here in Las Vegas. If you have any questions, let me know. Contact info's on there. Have a blessed day. Thanks again for watching.